The Revised Penal Code, Book 2, Title 6, Crimes Against Public Morals, Chapter 2, Offenses Against Decency and Good Customs. They are 1. Grave scandal. 2. Immoral doctrines, obscene publications and exhibitions. 3. Vagrancy and prostitution. Art 200. Grave scandal elements. 1. That the offender performs an act. 2. That such act as be highly scandalous as offending against decency or good customs. 3. That the highly scandalous conduct does not expressly fall within any other article of the RPC. And 4. That the act as complained of be committed in a public place or within the public knowledge or view. Notes: grave scandal consists of acts which are offensive to decency and good customs. They are committed publicly and thus give rise to public scandal to persons who have accidentally witnessed the acts. The public view is not required. It is sufficient if committed in public place. For being committed within the public knowledge, it may occur even in a private place. The number of people who sees it is not material. Decency means properly observing the requirements of modesty, good taste. Customs refer to established usage, social conventions carried on by tradition and enforced by social disapproval in case of violation. The essence of grave scandal is publicity, and that the acts committed are not only contrary to morals and good customs but must likewise be of such character as to cause public scandal to those witnessing it. Art 201. Immoral doctrines, obscene publications and exhibitions, and indecent shows persons liable. 1. Those who publicly expound or proclaim doctrines that are contrary to public morals. 2. Authors of obscene literature, published with their knowledge in any form. 3. Editors publishing such obscene literature. 4. Owners or operators of establishments selling obscene literature. 5. Those who exhibit indecent or immoral plays, scenes, acts or shows in theaters, fairs, cinemas or any other place. 6. Those who sell, distribute, or exhibit prints, engraving, sculptures or literature which are offensive to morals. Considered as obscene literature are immoral or indecent plays, scenes or acts. 1. Those WC glorify criminals or condone crimes. 2. Those WC serve no other purpose but to satisfy the market for violence, lust or pornography. 3. Those WC offend against any race or religion. 4. Those WC tend to abet the traffic and the use of prohibited drugs. And 5. Those that are contrary to law, public order, morals, good customs, established policies, lawful orders, decrees and edicts. Notes: morals imply conformity to generally accepted standards of goodness or rightness in conduct or character. The test of obscenity is whether the matter has a tendency to deprave or corrupt the minds of those who are open to immoral influences. A matter can also be considered obscene if it shocks the ordinary and common sense of men as indecency. Mere nudity in paintings and pictures is not obscene. Pictures with a slight degree of obscenity having no artistic value and being intended for commercial purposes fall within this article. Publicity is an essential element. Author of obscene literature is liable only when it is published with his knowledge. Mere possession of obscene materials without intention to sell, exhibit, or give them away is not punishable. Obscene publications and indecent shows under RA number 7610. 1. Any person who hire, employ, use, persuade, induce or coerce a child to perform in an obscene exhibition and indecent shows, whether live or in video, pose or model in obscene publications or pornographic materials. 2. Any ascendant, guardian, or person entrusted in any capacity with care of a child who allows or cause a child to be employed or participate in such. Notes. RA number 9995. Anti-Photo and Video Voyeurism Act of 2009 prohibits the taking, copying, selling, publishing or broadcasting of photos or videos of sexual acts. Art 202. Vagrants and prostitutes. Prostitutes, women who habitually, not just one man, indulge in sexual intercourse or lascivious conduct for money or profit. If a man indulges in the same conduct, the crime committed is vagrancy. Note. Republic Act No. 10158 decriminalized vagrancy. Vagrants under Article 202 prior to its amendment. 1. Those who have no apparent means of subsistence and who have the physical ability to work yet neglect to apply themselves to some useful calling. 2. Persons found loitering around public and semi-public places without visible means of support. 3. Persons tramping or wandering around the country or the streets with no visible means of support. 4. Idle or dissolute persons lodging in houses of ill fame. 5. Ruffians or pimps and those who habitually associate with prostitutes may include even the rich. And 6. Persons found loitering in inhabited or uninhabited places belonging to others, without any lawful or justifiable reason, provided the act does not fall within any other article of the RPC. Note. Article 202 is not applicable to minors.